Okay, so I'll create a new file. I want to create a new file. No, a new project. Let me open a new project. That will be okay. Let me close this. Yeah, let me close this off. Visual Studio Code. Create a new project. Then next, then how to populate DataGridView from DataTable. So this is what I want to actually create. So my project is on the way creating. And then right after that, I go to Toolbox. I open up a data grid. You get it? Data grid view. That's this. I come to my Windows Forms. Oops. I open it up to fill a larger space on the screen. So I get this. I double click to go to my code, and I have a very few codes here that I'm going to use. I import the data set and the data system data. My public class, I create a new table. That is then table as new data table. Then I define the columns as table column add. Then I put in my view ID, first name, last name, age. Then data another sample data. So data column add. The first column have a row, and in the row I put in one John Doe, and then Gene Smith, Michael Jackson, Emily Brown, and David Wilson. And then I call the data grid as the source, the data grid view as data source for the table. So the table here, or the one that defining this grid view. So when I'm done, I press that. Sorry. Well, I press. Okay, I clean this off. Good. Oops. Let me stop it. Okay. Oops. Okay, is it? Then let me go to start. And there we have it. So this is nicely like that. So there's a form 1. We can have our rows nicely, and our column ID, first name, last name, age, and then the rows too can see nicely like that. All right, so that is all we have, and our Visual Studio tables created. A table is created nicely like that.